action reinvindicatoria is, ang purpose mo dyan is to recover ownership. No? And then, syempre, you also recover possession as an attribute or element of ownership. Automatic yan. Kung manalo ka, syempre, sa'yo na rin yung possession. So, yan na yung another remedy mo. Pero again, it's already a plenary action. Governed na siya by regular procedure. Mahaba-habang proseso yan. It is filed beyond the 1-year period. So, ito lang yung tandaan mo pag kukuha ka ng bar. Kasi sa 2025 case, yung sinabi ko sa previous video, yung spouses Agulio versus Espinosa, tandaan nyo na yung action reinvindicatoria para i-consider sa ng court as an action to recover ownership, dapat mayroon kang prayer to recover ownership. At the same time, disputed yung ownership. Kung walang allegation about dispute about ownership, kung hindi mo naman pinapaanal yung wala kang prayer for recovery of ownership, wala kang prayer to annul the title na claim ng other party, kung hindi rin mo na-allege sa complaint mo na yung kabilang party inaagaw yung ownership sa'yo, then hindi yan i-consider ng court as an action reinvindicatoria without those allegations in the complaint. Kasi i-consider yan as an action published na. Pinaro yan ng court sa case ni spouses Noel Agulio. Kasi basic rule, 'di ba? Ang kaso hindi nakabase sa sa caption or sa title ng pleading, but on the recital or the allegations in the complaint. Doon bababasihan ng court yung substance dyan. That's all. So, I hope nakatulong kahit kaunti.